it's continuing as the cryptocurrency approaches 8,000. So what is behind this move? Our Bob Pisani is live at the NYSE with the latest. Hi, Bob.
Hello, Melissa. The Bitcoin sitting at the highest level since the end of May. It's up over 30% since bottoming at 5,700. That was the end of June. Bitcoin bulls are pitting their hopes for more gains on a Bitcoin ETF getting approval by the SEC. Really? A Bitcoin ETF was filed by the CBOE back on June 26 and backed by Van Eck. This is a reapplication, new form of an old one that was rejected last year. It's got some bells and whistles, but it's essentially the old one. Because the SEC typically takes 45 days to make a decision, a lot of people are assuming that we'll get a decision on or before August 15th or so. Now, there's no doubt that a positive verdict would lead to another run-up in Bitcoin. But don't hold your breath on this. I don't think so. I've interviewed both the chairman of the SEC, Jay Clayton, and the man in charge of Bitcoin policy at the SEC, and both have made it clear to me they are taking a go-slow approach on the whole Bitcoin ETF thing. Clayton is not going to take the risk of getting hauled in front of Congress on charges he allowed mom and pop to lose money on Bitcoin, at least not in 2018, even if the price of this particular ETF is very high. My guess is that the SEC will not deny the request, but they will extend the comment period. That's the ruling that would cause the least friction and the most likely path here. They will cite their previous security concerns about break-ins and thefts of wallets, along with allegations of manipulation they've stated before. By the way, there's also some very real custodian questions that have not exactly been settled here. But other parts of the Bitcoin juggernaut keep rolling on. Coinbase has formed a political action committee to raise money to spend on U.S. elections. They said that back on Friday night. Back to you, Melissa.
All right. Thank you, Bob. Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange. So is the Bitcoin rally here to stay? Our crypto baller BK hopes so. He's made his way over to the plaza to give us his latest bull case. Beeks.
Yeah, for sure. I definitely hope so. And I also hope there's an ETF. But I'm with Bob on this. I think the chances of an ETF in 2018 are relatively low. There's still quite a few things. But that doesn't stop speculation on that. And that's one reason why we've seen this bottoming process here from 5,800 all the way up